Yes, passive income. And I know for some of you, when we talk about passive income, the first thing that comes to mind is get rich quick. Sometimes it represents making money fast, but I want to let you know that what I'm going to discuss today will not represent neither of the two. When I think of passive income, I think of ways to grow money over time. So we are going to focus on a long-term strategy that can bring you money for years to come. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 different ways that you can start generating a passive income online and building your passive income portfolio. I want to be able to give you different options, so you're going to want to stay till the end of this video, because if one of the methods doesn't pique your interest, maybe another will. So with passive income opportunities, there's 2 ways that this can go. Either you will need to come up with a whole lot of money up front, so there's an initial capital to make your passive income, or a whole lot of time you will have to put in up front, and your efforts is going to build up a passive income. So what I realize is that a lot of people, unfortunately, are confused about passive income, and they feel they don't need to spend any time or money in order to start building a passive income. But that is not true. In the beginning, you will need to build it up, but it will definitely be worth it, because in the long run, your money will work for you. Let's face it, if anything in this world is worth having, you have to work for it. So it's not going to just drop out of the sky right into your lap. And if anyone presents to you an opportunity that sounds too good to be true, most of the time it is. So I'm going to share with you a way to generate a passive income where you will not need to worry about putting up money, but you will need to spend some of your time. And eventually, over time, you will build up a passive income stream with each of the opportunities we are going to discuss today. So let's get started with the first passive income stream. The first one is being a self-published author. And you're probably saying to yourself, well, I don't know how to write a book. What do I need to do to get started? This is extremely easy. It's called repurposing. If you have a hobby or you are familiar with a certain type of business opportunity, maybe it's something you learned at your job, what you can do is take that information, send it to an editor, and have them to create an entire book for you. It doesn't have to be long and drawn out. It can be short and straight to the point. Think about all of the things you've learned over the years that can actually be repurposed and turned into a book. Let me give you a couple of examples. If you are a mom, there are things that you have learned as a mom, certain things that you have experienced that others may have never experienced. So what you can do is create a book about being a mom and what to expect. This will be great for those who are first-time moms. And think about this. There are women having babies every day, and they are afraid and don't know what to expect as being a first-time mom. Now, with your knowledge and expertise, you can give them the information that they need to help relieve some of the anxiety and stress of being a first-time mom. Another example is cooking. I love to cook. So if you love to cook and you have great recipes that your family enjoys, you can turn this into a book by listing your favorite recipes, how they came about, and you can also talk about how your family loves these different types of recipes. This is so simple. Sometimes you just need to think outside of the box to be able to create a great book. Think about this. If over the year you were able to produce 2 books a month, and you have these ebooks listed on places like Amazon for, let's just say, $7.99. These books are available all year round for people to purchase. This can easily become a full-time passive income. Okay, the second passive income idea I would like to discuss is YouTube. And the reason why is because YouTube is a great platform where you can share your hobbies or give knowledge about any topic that you like. Not only that, as people watch your channel, they will start to subscribe. And not only that, they will come back and watch more of your videos. Now, if you are camera shy, no worries, because you don't even have to show your face. You can create a faceless channel where you can give information about a topic similar to what I'm doing now. With YouTube, once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can now monetize your channel and start getting paid through Google AdSense. So let me give you an idea of how this works. Let's just say you're into fitness. You can talk about different things you have learned over the years. This can include what to eat, when to work out, how to maintain your weight, and also other things that you have learned during your fitness journey. When you pick a topic, make sure that it is evergreen, which means a topic that will be popular for years to come. Let's talk about a few different topics that people will always want to discuss. Make money online, of course, right? How to lose weight, how to find love and be in a healthy relationship, right? Learn how to cook. Cryptocurrency is really popular these days. Makeup tutorials. So now with YouTube, it is not a sprint, but it's a marathon. You can create videos one day that does really well, and maybe the next time it doesn't do so well. But over time, as you become skilled, you will start to notice what your audience wants, and you will start to actually grow your channel for the long term. Everyone starts at zero, but as long as you're consistent, your followers will grow. The next passive income idea I would like to discuss is affiliate marketing, and this is one of my favorites. With affiliate marketing, you don't have to worry about creating a product. The product is already created. With affiliate marketing, there are many different things that you can become an affiliate for. And with affiliate marketing, what you will be doing is promoting other people's products. As an example, softwares, educational products, and sometimes some of these affiliate marketing products have a software that may have a recurring subscription. So what that means is now you can earn monthly from that subscription. If a person subscribes to a particular software that helps them to fulfill a need, they will remain a member forever. And that's how you start to earn passively. When you decide on an affiliate product to promote, you want to make sure that it's fulfilling a need for an individual. And that is something that you can use for a long time. So it's a win-win situation for you as the affiliate marketer and for the company. There are many different sites that you can go to become an affiliate. They have sites like ClickBank, they have JVZoo, also Warrior Plus. You can become an affiliate and actually start promoting other people's products. And there are going to be tons of products that you can choose from. You want to make a decision on which product fits you most. And if you really want to get good at affiliate marketing, you want to subscribe to this channel because we have tons of videos that talks about how to earn daily with affiliate marketing. The next passive income idea I would like to discuss is creating a course. And this is great too, because again, you can teach someone something, create a course one time, and get paid from it over and over and over again. If you really sit down and think about it, all the things that you have learned, again, you can put it into a course. You can talk about things like how to delegate your time. Maybe you're a person who is extremely busy, but you always find a way to maximize your time to get most of your things done throughout a day. You can put this into a course for people who are really bad at delegating their time. You may need some time to think about different courses that you would like to put together, but again, it's worth it because once you create it, you can now sell it over and over and over again. In the long run, this is how you're going to generate a passive income. Another great passive income idea is selling stock photos online. This can be a great passive income, especially if you're a person that loves to travel or you just love to take photos. You can get paid to sell your photos online through different websites like Shutterstock. The photos you can say can be from any niche, including travel, food, sports, anything that you would like to cover. You can take your photos and as an independent photographer, put them into various stock photography websites. Now, this may take some time to build up, but if it's something that you already enjoy doing, you might as well get paid for it. So the ultimate goal is to build financial independence that does not eat up a lot of your time. And if it's truly the goal that you're looking to do something long term, you can actually build a portfolio and start getting paid passively over time. You can also go to other places to post your photos like Deposit Photos, Smug Mug, Adobe Stock, and iStock Photo. So with that said, there are so many different ways that you can start building a passive income. I just wanted to share with you my 5 top favorites. If you start with one and you stick with it, you will notice that over the next 6 months to a year, you now have a passive income portfolio. I want to just say thank you so much for viewing this video. Please take the time to subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and make sure to hit the notification bell so you are notified every single time that I upload a video. Thanks so much and have a great day.